Today we're going to learn how to use the magic eraser tool to make a 3D composite superhero background. The top ribbon, I'm going to select new. For print, 8.5 by 11 letter size. Bottom right, the word create. Have a blank canvas. I'm going to paste Hulk on it. I chose one with a white background. I'm going to toggle off the background. I'm going to slide that to the bottom right trash can. I'm going to scroll down the menu bar until I find the magic eraser tool. It's underneath the eraser. So I left click the mouse, select magic eraser, just touch the white background, it's magically gone. I'm going to slide the Hulk to the top right. I'm going to paste Spiderman. I chose an image from Spiderman Civil War. I like the shield. So paste Spiderman. I'm going to use the magic eraser along the background, selecting each color that can magically erase. And then when I look along the bottom of Spider-Man, I need to use the polygonal lasso tool to finish outlining Spidey. And then I hit delete. So Spider-Man, I'm going to place along the bottom right. Now I'm pasting Electro. Grab the magic eraser tool, select the background. Voila, it is gone. Take out each area between the electricity coming from him, and I'm moving him to the lower left. So now we've created a 3-person composite with superheroes and villains. So to make it more exciting, I'm going to find Spark Online with a black background. I'm going to use the magic eraser tool to delete it also. In the layers panel, I'm going to select the spark. I'm going to slide it to the right hand side and duplicate the layer. With that duplication, I'm going to put one of the sparks behind Electro's hand. I'm going to tilt it just a little using Control-T and then rotating it, making it a little smaller. So it looks like a spark's coming from his hand to the shield and reflecting it off. Now I'm pasting an image that I found online as the background. Control-T, take the move tool, arrange it till I think it looks the best. I'm going to slide it to the very bottom so that it is the background layer. I think this is shaping up really nice. I'm selecting the eraser tool. I'm lowering the flow and the opacity. I'm going to erase some of Electro's hand so it's more transparent so that the spark can shine through. This is turning out very awesome. So I'm going to flatten the image. In the layers panel, I'm going to right click, flatten visible image, so it compresses the entire file to one file. I'm going to add a poster effect from the gallery menu. There we go. We have used the magic eraser tool, polygonal lasso tool, the move tool, Control-T the transform, use the eraser to erase part of the opacity of Electro's hand, added the spark. I think it turned out awesome. Let me know what you think. Enjoy, practice Photoshop as much as you can. Have a great day and click like and subscribe.